so wa gwa bezedo wa mai mi na ye me na ha orion ba fu e de orion so lo be tu ama wo orion ba ami e de hu ra orion so lo orion ba e be tu e mi na ya ka be do orion ba no ri ki orion ba na no ri wo ni e gwo ba ta me ni e mo ba bo ya iye tu to mazaka awagwa afia gbigidi no okun no bi ba buge no okun no bi ba buge fia wa gyoyi abogian baya no ri fi do gedo fia wa gyoyi ope akoko no ri gwo bata epe ya wa gyoyi wa go sasu wa ogele ya wa gyoyo. So my people, may I speak pidgin English for this one? When I say I've said a very short message, we will not do quite book call like I said before. Hello sir, we wa zuo edo yagewe. Hello sir, you they come out, they support these two idiots. Say Obanugu, and you are the person where they talk on before they give you money because you are a depressed element who don't want to work for yourself. Now you be the best way for the talk and say I'm your bevaredo. I wonder why you are not preaching this nonsense. But tell me, Amia, oh I go your back. I want to tell you a logo, sir. If you are doing my Edo people all over the globe, all over the world, if you are doing no one in see, this boy called Favor that is parading himself in Europe, Italy, and France. Nene be this Aduro element that is parading himself as an only son. And he also said, well, then I'm your babe do if you have a mio babe umo no kwa ni atie obanugu no suhungu. Okay. I beg, I want more to follow me reason this issue. If Osazuwa is the enoge of Umo Wunokwa. Osazuwa is his name. That's his picture right there. Osazuwa no Funyawu no Sungu. No Sobo Kubiako. Omo kan no ma se no sugwakpata emi amere ogbe. My people, I want to reason this matter with me. If this Osazuwa, former enoge of Umo Wudokwa that is not suspended, is an Oriebo, and this is a cohort called Olisa, Aduro boy in Italy, will not get document. This illegal immigrant, illegal useless boy. If he be say what did they talk say Osazuwa na so that they see Obanugu, if he really be, because according to this only son, this boy, this small boy, Favor, he say as they see Oba for Edo, na so that they see Oba for Umogu. Umogu not poor people were they, Wadomi Agbadia. The question I want to ask you now, if that really true say that they see Obanugu, if they exist, well, now don't ask. I want you to ask yourself, you this stupid, useless, lazy boy. I want you to ask yourself, you and the same people that are supporting these two idiots. I want you guys to ask yourself, if really say Obanugu they exist, we be say we the Edo people, all the world don't say I'm your Obevaredo. If he really Obanugu they exist, say according to them, say they don't they under the Oban Edo, our great God on earth. Why be say this small boy, what they call Sazuwa, in name they for the list of the Enoge, the rebellious Enoges, where they suspend. If now really Obanugu, according to the way he claim, him and his cohort, if he's really an Obanugu, I beg, why he be say, as in they claim say, in a still Oba for Umogunokwa, Why our great God, Oba Nedo, Ukwa Polopolo, Oba Atokpe, is said, why is suspend this enoge? I don't want to be the question where I want me you ask yourself, hello sir, the charlatans. Hello sir, the fool. You see, una feel say na money be everything. You see this life, you go down your boss can see no. The money where they okay for person pass, where you go reach you. At least you go take and take chop, you go there okay for yourself. That money where you use your hand to work. You see money where you they collect from people just to bring some set of people, some group of people, some great people down. You are causing and laying costs on yourself and your generation, but you don't know. If you don't know someone, then Osazuwana ye eno gyoga umo unokwa. Kekele no we only sana ni ati favor. Ana gele mie amio banugu le no kae. Or women are mere babe do, or women are mere babe, umo unokwa, near we at the urban no guagua. Anagele ami a baby on we are able to take do, or we are yet do. By na mere bane do not suspended, idiot in no sazuwa. Why? Only now don't just be the question where I want me that idiot, as in the idiots where they support these two fools. People like Hello Osano who are SMP. Now that one be question where I want me to ask themselves. If you had done no if your money had no time on now. Osazuwa no parade be asoba nugu. Osazuwa no you more no kwa. Now you suspend you way. Waji yake. Walu obi okana only son no huana no do bia do re webo neve bebe webo walu yawe nonsense ani akpo boy you I just want to tell you guys that are supporting this idiot where to wa mo ye gan wa so like gan Osazuwa no gyogu mo wu no kwa na suspend ma bege edo anywhere when you don't time away in bego go weka many akebego go weka just because you have been suspended for a very long time when I Ivie abi erewe una vie bobo ma be obokana dana no tie gba olisan ni ati e favor no huwa no laluwe be webo nu wagiya nu gwadu agwo ba tekme Waluya weba bi egbele we redo ba o mo wudo kwa ba uvi egbele anywhere when you do time o ri ma gba we na o awa e kinu do emi opadi ado time we na giko egbuko la re we no lisana we no ho huana unwi agie we Osazuwa wa imione oko Osazuwa ge we ge ga o a petition where ya somebody approval iwa gwalo approval ogo women no kwa agi gwalo na approve ya somebody never moisa Osalobwedo ya no gbogeva no give your boy your the way ge gan egane ogiamieyo. Don't forget during the time of Oshomole Noga Ogiame went to prison for 3-4 years. I think 4 years he was there because of this nonsense. Where you Osazuwa Ekida Nudona Ogiame do ona ayega and they gani ye wego ko even ni do time away. Uba ye gbele ewe na mu wa we gbewe ni ewu na uba gwayo and amiobo we ka ne we wogia dana ni awuna wogia la re we ne favor no wo listen a problem here there we ga me bene ma be ja you we am e be ke yagu ewebo we ga me bene we abi owa udore na gbokin. But mind you, Osazuwa is going to prison. Osazuwa is an impersonator. Osazuwa has been suspended for a very long time. Kobene ya suspend Osazuwa. Enogi ogumo wu. Es enogi ofumo wu. No wa. Kobene ya suspend gbagbo mai de gbe akọ bi do menu somo wu. Oya viabe kita no ya viabe kita hu ni adu attack me. Aha. E favor go yo khana ne tun yin no huana. No ti gba only some we bo aha we bo ye obi yan ma we gbogbo we be bi ama we wa ko do ni we Sazuwa wo yu we mo ya enoge ogumo wu the s enoge s convict enoge na suspend the do we ba ti ere oba nu gu nu gbe o ba pon o Sazuwa nu suhun wu nu wi mo gu no ko ya to gbo e we oba nu gu iwe bi re na bi oba re de ya mi oba nu gu mai na mi egbe oba ne do ya na suspend we o ma mi fi agbo o Sazuwa o ma bi egbe ladia but anywhere bere ne we wa mudia a governor aso wa ba na meta lo yo say na go bi en pin no a governor before governor come out for Nigeria he made a statement. He said there's only one palace in the whole of Edo State, which is the palace of the great Benin Kingdom with the whole of Edo State. And he also said it well, England every year, Charlie. Most of you don't know the reason and also will not make a statement in it. Just wait. Osazuwa ma bere kinu we dona favor Osazuwa wa ya di oviera ego Sazuwa atangbe Osazuwa nu wati oba nu guna na suspend the do Osazuwa pa suspend the daddy gwere do Osazuwa ona gwo ba attack me ave chief ni ya ni wa rebe ni debe second osungu muya ki adogwo ba attack me adi mote ya afile ya kwa bani okpa wu abieva ewu bonia ama muya yoto abona muya fu ave gbodo gode nda agwo ba attack me do ami obeva re do agwa omo no gwo ba attack me o ya ta agwo ba attack me agwo ba simi odio agwo ba simi do agwa wi do ana biomo ya agwo ba simi Edo obi omo eri ni agwo ba attack me agwo ba simi ebe agwo ba simi oto Edo obi omo ari ni na ya are enoge ya ni wa re da devil na suspend ya fe hiania so ibe do ayinia so pa ehun la ne go ni sagiro nda ya fi obogbe yudo de Osazuwa na gbegbe mari okie Osazuwa na weti riga pare de gbe asoba nugu arena gwana. As I'm talking to you guys now, the reason why this Osazuwa, why this stupid boy, the SNOG of Umo Wurokwa, and this is idiot Adura boy that calls himself or that parade himself as only son of Umogu, because this idiot Osazuwa would have a suspended Eva boya fi kunlele ni ona ilaje na wetin ya do type me se no na egbe ọ̀rọ̀ no we gbe bi oni ihun oya ka Osazuwa ri una na bi dobe obi okana no yu pon no bana upon no bari no back yan mi e dagun ade gbe mi no fun ave dagun we ne favor we nu hu dana hu dagu be webo ufi where 100 years is forever umebe where the gbogbo ime when you made all time where only son not take by a favor not mo egbe as only son and your power did all time away anywhere edoya ya ene o kemi we ata we are all recording everything. Please my people, if you do news or if you do no one if see no more do no ma no you na biene do no we ami obe fa be do no we agwo ba si mi no we agwo ba tak me ogwo ba ga dia oye no sanu dazi dia ogwe to your bag ene do bag if you do ni no one if see no ri mo ga do no ma no ri eyobo no ba ye ne mane do ma ni ye do ya ni rogwa kebe di si ra iyobo no ba ye ne do ya o te do ya fe wala gogo ya do yin mi gba mi opa o anyway agiena agiun re o anyway when ni ka mu gba ya fe won wala gogo kemi ne e boy na owo kana no hu ana no be o e France ya we tell you ka ye France ogije na ni ati e favor no we o listen kemi no be ta any platform wa na mi o e nu wala gogo awon wa se kemi no be ta won wa se ya ma o nebo ti e recording ugagane video ya no e ka be u ave mi no ko odun ladia be sending it to me directly no ni meta mu gwana osobe ni wa ene o ye do me nuzo mo kemi ne bo na bi ata no ti gbo lisan be webo we emi o lisan re umo wu no kwara ogo ba no zuwo be ni ati oba nu gu no hua. I want to tell you now a favor. Kemi nu ya nu eta we webo da we me benia problem iro egboko 100 years not be forever. We wa are we bodu we azuo. Anything no be rita osazuwa enoge former enoge ofumo wu no kwa kun ayu won evio e o. Re go ko no o. Ima wonu ete nu ta o ata ya. Kemi nu ya ke platform we wa ari cute mani bun. Iya wa bun. Kunya be platform nu ya te nonsense nu ya ta le nu ta lo problem iro so pe we ni do time awe e gane ogi amiejo eri pe ne no ogi amejo o kun ya gie idiot na no ti egbe osazuwa o kun ya gie the former enoge of umowu no kwa e gan kun ya gie and o mi oboya ye gani since we be a problem iro nu we na me be ni a problem iro wa azu obe webo Kemi no rita Osazuwa is going to be held responsible. Osazuwa is going to face the law for it. When Agwana Osazuwa Yerumo will not waba. Osazuwa make a noise. Oh, I get one, but Osazuwa all use underground. All time I wear game now. Then we are 4 years. Hello, sir. If you are doing no more, you just not take by all this. You get favor no soon guna no la luwe webo. 300 euro or bien elogosa no ho hoa elogosa me bebe webo ejugbo ejogo enwina elogosa mo wa no ye elogosa o we nekebe wa no ye we ugwe o hoa 300 euro I ti ya de we be da we o pia na enwina na yobo what do you expect ebi oje with 50 naira you can buy their conscience, you can even buy their life and the life of their entire generation. It's not the problem. That's a poor man for you, a lazy man. That's what it stands for. MK, who be all this one with the same request? I don't really know you guys, so to bring una up is something else. Please, moderator, if you're there, you can bring people up. So, anybody want to talk? Only son, a favor, and ya do time away. I'm away no waka guy. So when on me akwabu no ya igwe. A problem iro. Hata levenu tao. Egbokwo. Osazuwa, okya you hu ya. I bet anybody will talk any moderator drop them immediately. Wa filia jame.
Beva whatever. Well, now when I drop him an old one, who give up 1 year opinion again.
My brother, Damio, Mona no make you around their back. My brother, when nowhere, no opinion here. My baby cast my video na by China where make me here do China where me na giko buko na giko buko my little ban ima oni do tale me no bugbe e ni wa gie e do tamu wa ni bi mo wu no kwa wa ne presenter no huwa no amegbe ne wina e ma be logo sa wa ni debe boy na these two idiots Osazuwa kekere favor no te gba only san take wa ni mo gun no kwa so ni support yan when you go wa go Osazuwa gan emi ya gba de na ya mo Osazuwa ye gan please any platform wa na mi only sana no parade gbe as only san webo kemi no bi ta wa record ya me we record the camera must send any bune. So if you have any other recording, please send it to me, please. We are going to be sending it down. So my brother, whenever bow where never an opinion in my platform in another an opinion where. One thing I want to ask you before you talk, listen, sir, listen. Okay, go Damio. Any nowhere, don't you know not what we're here or not? Yeah, I know what I'm mute. As I mute you, you stay mute. I beg. Any nowhere, where social media now? The idiot now was Osazuwa and no girl wanna suspend. Woman who not what? Here go back attack me about where? If you have your baby door, if you have your baby who not what? Oh, yeah, dog working. Where may I have your baby door? Never be seva. And I'm your damn origin. And I'm here where? Emma Tagele no where I'm your baby door. If you have your baby, where Umo will not what? And I'm here where then what tiny. Why na me where Obana suspend Osazuwa no your woman will not what? Or where according to this small boy favor only son. No rewe no dollar we never be webo. Oma gwa lebe. Ega no ya gwa lebe or you want in the you or ga yi vie we sheroti le lebu here. You vie la lu he here ate yi vie we mi oja. Oma gwa lebe. Ana gi miego iladia. Owe ebie iro toto bedo where me walk pa bedo ni he walk pa bedo ni never toto bedo. Ebini, that city is our capital city. Miami gwoni makere. Mabere edoni on your Edo, that's Benin City. Erani Eramo Isaje is the city. Is our city. My brother la tuore ko was lego doni. Who set the contrary platform one more good boy. You may good work more it might not your guna. Would I know anyone give una? So you might only your guna at the bell wa block me. Wa block it. One is so big you are. Yeah, I'm worried. No, I'm worried. Demonstrator, I'm worried. Let me remove it from moderator. Then I'm here. What is all this nonsense? Don't try that again. Nonsense now. Are you mad? You dare come up on my platform and you want to government opinion? Oh, what boss has what opinion? Oh, go back, baby. Let me show you where so what. I'm a new better. Have you go back, boy? You then come to my platform and you say you want to hear your opinion. Oh, go opinion, boss Azuwa. Oh, go boss Azuwa. Oh, Sazuwa na jakara de we ebi na mi oba redo. Ebi ami oba wo mo no kwa. Go be ga mi oba redo ira hwa no ba hwa ni ka. Ha hwa ni manedo. Now you want to come up to my platform why need your useless and stupid opinion? Are you mad? What have you done? Company a boy and I idiot in a favor. No, ya make it no sense. No, ya go anyhow. What have you said about it? We send the request again. No, ya tell me away. I want to hear my opinion. Are you mad? Oh, go back, boy. I bet you soon. Oh, go back. Oh, go boy. What the bed lama? Anyway, in Amion, go back. Boy. What soon go back? No. Oh, wow. So I mean, doctor. You might only tell him an open bay. I just want it to be clear. Hello, sir. What's wrong? Problem is wrong. But I worry. Your days are numbered. Hey, my brother, no send request on my platform again. I get why. You will want send request to when for 4 hours. I mean, not when we Germany. Don't ever send request to my platform because you for my platform, but I don't want to see you on my platform again. Never. In my main when whether I love, I don't want to see you ever on my platform again. Don't even go there. Don't try it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't try it in your life, the entire life. Oh yeah, moderator, wanna block this person. Wanna block that yellow boy. Wanna block him. Wa block her. Wa block her. Ava gaba gebe na mane do me gwale amegbe. Ava gaba gebe oh yoba agaba gebe. We don't need them. I don't need you people close to me. Block that boy where they send request just and that yellow boy wanna block her. Wa mufija me. Cause ke be na me of ye no. Was one. Mama ri ma be wa. Wa I'm done last check up. So I'm gonna block that idiot. What am I trying to say here? Your own are just you are a minority. But I will your bar well, but in a way, here that one you do. But you see this small boy where we are red and red, so where they parade himself as only son. Anything over ata Osazuwa enoge the former enoge na suspending na fifth you ha okya you went ya if you ma gudokwa una former enoge Osazuwa ga o igwenu ga emenditana ugagwo ge no imegiowe kokoko igewe kwa igwewe kwa usuwo iwi gewa kwa gigewa kwa usuwo gigewa kwa gigewa kwa usuwo iwa bana la wegbe gagwa ba tekno. Have you know? So this is my little message. Please block this person instead they send requests. Can you please block this idiot? Block him, please. I beg you in the name of God. Please block the boy, please. And I have my reasons. Please block this idiot. Don't mute him. Just block the idiot on my platform. I don't want to see him again. I don't want to ever see him on my platform anymore. I'm going to send the request. Also, so that's it. Eh, when you do tabuba, o salopo America not on do anywhere. America can ni nyaro here. Ni gwoba dole doyi evi asi abone obo ya we say o. I'm so happy. I'm the happiest person today. Even as I made some calls, and I was so happy and grateful when I was being assured, not just by an ordinary person, by Ari Kakagba. They told me not to worry. Your days are numbered to Sazua. And when no parade, but if you do, Prince Jeje, Wama, Manivia do ya, Mobi Mila, Wabu, Mabugbe, ya when is when you were better than mu. Baby Sky, Manivia do ya no wasim your segado. Anywhere when you marry or when you marry no sunu. Or what can we carry in the boy and Natania, not your only sana. Or what Sazuwa and no Genia suspended. Woman will not wa. Oh, here you, ya tell your hair outside query, oh, yeah. He's an impersonator, and all you got your. Oh, yeah, yo. So, when no, Juana, be saying whatever you want to say, Wama. A video no be au kenoka u ya wa save the videos. Wa record anywhere ne boy na no you monofo na e no buy no ba na mi egbe no you pese age na no ho na ni ati e favor no we only listen. Ke video ka wo ke no ye ta o wa record ya as an evidence. As an evidence. I send just few on my bungbe ni e send. Wala wo no ka be unu wa me ya. Maybe ya no you know it. Why get boy na maybe is not the problem, but Osazuwa re mani no you went to me ya. Osazuwa hiya yega ne bati e joge Ogiame. Una know say Ogiame did the same thing. Ogiame Anamo Yegan, they put her for prison for 3-4 years. Now Shobole and I put her for prison. The same thing this idiot they do. Now Ogiame do. Now no say that one make Ogiame run come out for Niger. More than not forget, Ogiame went to prison for 4 years by Oshomole for being rebellion to the palace, to the great palace, the one and only palace in the whole of Edo. Ogiame went to 4 years in prison. He served 4 years imprisonment. You understand? He served of you. And I even saw the sorry for Ogiame before they called the van. Now Shomole and I put Ogiame for prison. So because of all this nonsense.
Oh.
Guaje, go on.
Boy na nwete favor na. Favor eni no yari adoro ni. O sakpa ma wa eni.
Okay. Mama wadami oweje kale kwa.
O sakpa ma wa eni. O wa eni ni ra bi je ovi mogun wi. O sakpa ma ovi mogun ma mama gie o aso mama gie ba van. Nwo hia ya mwi no ma o sakpa ma eni oni wen tamawe. Wa hia tie bone egi tie bone with a favor eni adoro ni o sakpa ma wa eni.
O sakpa mama, who has who iba boga lawe gbe a problem iba.
We yen wa.
Kemi nubia wo sakpa mama, kemi nubia ta gbogbo o Osazuwa hia yu mu emi no mama Osazuwa na kan no baka. Osazuwa na gele oba nu guve nu ya ti ewe eri egwa mi oba nu guvo mu no kwa. Ijeme no bijeme no me manana. Oba suspend ya. Where Osazuwa no gyoguwa weta suspended.
Mommy, me mama boy anything no concern traditional only but new boy none of your hanana. Osakpama wa eni.
Okay. But even in nowhere, it were do where you there released because number 40 any released. And no gyoguwa umo no kwa. You got suspended go your banner.
Me mare do one vai mere do one vai go bakpa imami. Oni o isalo manu pogeva oni mega oni mare family mega me my mi o de we iri emi do akele na the thing is chocolize me.
OSJ, thank you very much. Thank you for the information. Osakpama what problem me bro. If you more worry abi we na bando confirm let's go OSJ thank you very much. Thank you. Any pa no ta no do no fi agbo. OSJ why think what baba I want yawa.
Okay. Your President JJ, your I greet you, ma. Sister Ivie.
President JJ, your be jeme. Koje. Wabowa wa gui.
Wabowa o ite we wabowa ite.
Bowa je.
Okay.
Go baba.
Eminia what is that? Hello, sir. I want to send you a strong warning. Day too meme, day too kolo. When itana, I'm your baby do. You know your mom, we don't have Oba, we don't have Olia. That Enoge have already been suspended. When itana, that fake chief Olia, when they claim say na be chief, a boy nanu dana a suspended alo go sue. Nwana sue.
I had to am small, but no verse baba gui. To add to it, it was not Osazuwa was not suspended as a Oba Nugu. He was suspended as a Noge. There's nothing like Obanugu Amiobe Varedo. He was an enoge Ogumo Wunokwa. And he was being rebellious. Ogiobano. He was on the list of Ogioba Nikiagwaba Takmere during the time of Oba Sekin Ogbonisan. So it was the 40th. It was among the list, as in on the list. It was the number 40th. You understand? That was being suspended as the chiefs, the enoge of various villages that was being suspended. Mind you, it was never suspended as Obanugu. There's nothing like Obanugu in Edo. Amiobe Varedo, it was suspended as Enogumowu. As an enoge. Okay, right on, my brother.
Alogesu. Do emenita. Uka one screen record again. For your information, where a boy and normal man was sent the list a kid done no around that their village, which is Umogun. I'm telling you, a list in release Eladian. When they battle, they do Catholic bege or total Catholic bege. I've told you, I'm not too far from you. I just want you to know. A Torino where Jemana Potasuza. I'm very close to you, Alogesu. We are on waiver, A list in where release Kugwe Ozwana, I'm telling both of you. That list, make una release them. Make una release that list. Person go on and tell me they go to split rubbish. Which village they under Umogunokwa, no good beluwa. The village in a row under Umogunokwa. Uwa memea. See, Alogesu, take your time, no be lie, like a lie. Take your time, this madman. Take your time. Anything that have to do with Oriomo, stay away. You are not from Oriomo. No be you want to tell us our history. Kenike was a man, and Erami Makamame, Abero Bishnu, while Talona Midiana. Awe Daima, Yamakami Mabero Bishnu, while Talobe Midiana. I'm from Oriomo. I was born there, and I grew up there. One
Here I try to understand the way Uronigbe is under Umogunokwa, which is lie. Ivie Kovioma Wayawa Bagbe. Ivie do Ebayaki. I'm your bevarado.
May I log you?
No to
Release that list. Make it release that list first. That list when they under Umogunokwa, what make it release am? And woman release alogus wa afiagu. Alogosa we me Google woman release a list in Uwawe boy no wa afiagu. Imoti get the woman release a list in ni. Who wa afiagu. And wa be release a wa be fiagu because of no with him. One the other one say, which village are you from? I'm from Ewega. I know they had my identity. Oh, where Wega making? I know they had my identity. Ken, all go to my
Ivie Kopa, Ivie Kofia, Oba, Agmoyaga, I'm your bevarado. Ivie do, so ni mwere beto, I'm your bevarado. I'm your bevarado. Agwano bagwana nikao, agwani manedo. Wayak bagbe, I'm your bevarado. There's nothing like Obanugu in a dog. Wa Obakpa mamedo. Oh salobedo yanukpo geva. Agbage no yaloku. Oh gidiga no nyato yasewebo. Obanokpa urunekpa ba o. Uma gwaza. Oh ye dode no amote. Oh ye no ruge. Oh ye no yutete no guge sama. Obanedo. Oh gidiga no yabanyado. Uma gwaza wa talk ba omogun oba ilo bo wa iwa mi obe varado wa ami obe varado ri edonu somo ami obe varado ri edonu somo ibi e ko fi aye ko ri omo If you want there, if you come back, if you do your fair, the whole of Edo State, we only have one Oba, we have one palace in the whole of Edo State. If you need okay. If you back my Oba, if you bang do your hair, you know your hair. If you even do your hair, you to the dog hair. If you walk, hair. Oh, walking up. Oh, no, when you don't go bed, don't attack me. Oh, waka wunu, o ga defi amwa, ebi o kira je. Ah!
Ogun yen gwa. Mugbe wagunme ine wagunme ka na no gunya tie ba osasuwa be.
Osasuwa ba
na yu we bia mo agbanere. Osakpama no na ku keke no na ku keke no na ke ogbefen keke no na ke obera obiju no na ke ya keke no sungu wagbon. Omo dan ne oloji bia lazen no na sungu osakpama unwo ya mo agbanere osakpama tu ya devagua
osakpama Victor Igwaide
osakpama wuga ne dien do guge sesu gu afien do yueva dien do rien ra bue dien do rien o rien he wo ko dien do rien bue elegbe nuwe gani ni mewu ga rien bue blunda wa ma mi be vale do de ama mi be vale do de nu sungu osakpama nu ho wa omodan me mi kenana mi be vale do de era me bien me je me bien de obi okori mo iba e ho te gba obe va mi be do de nu sungu osakpama nu ana kiombo kan no le de ori osakpama o kin asise de so de na nota o kin so de na nota level o kin asungu isi kin alawiwa o mi o be baya ri o te do wa isi kin alawiwa eri e de do ka eri ni enu ka ya ka egbegbe eri bari ka ya ka egbegbe eri guda no bo ka eri ya wetu kin ayu mu agbanere ya wetu ya mu iwu mu agbanere ga osakpama no mama tu kin asungu tu kin le mi gwiwa tu kin abion kan de ro u kin lowo kan de ro eri iwe ka eri dendo ka eri bokpanya ka eri unwe ka eri apano no reko ka eri afwe de ka eri agbi aga no te do ya fe ka ya fe no jare ga alote ne do eri ka eri awo kan ajenu e u so do na ton nota nu da mama emi de vade e dokpa mama ebi e do nu zemo e dokpa mama emi kenana ebi do aga do ye oba ma bo osakpama wi aga do ye nika obo unwo ayata weguga ne dien do guge ni mani ye do guge ma emi ya fe ma ya gu even vevona emi ya fe ma ya gu even emi ya fe ni mariri ne ma ya gu even iri okori mo wa pa ma mi no re na de ama emi no re na de iri okori mo wa pa gbe ama emi no re na de iri okori mo dana go sakpama wi aga do ye bavo when on Google when they do Google when on Google ni ma do Google mani we do ma Google won ya ta va son ya ta va von ya ta va bien ri won ya ta va von ya ta va son ya ta
ebi o ke aje nu o yen gwa gbe osakpama ne Victor Igwaide lena tie na wo se na bo gbe wo se na ba van wo se na ba bi yore akwo ko yo uga guma gbise yo iwe gbise yo bo gbe gbise yo ba van gbise yo ba bi yore e mo nu ye ki awe bi ya gbise yo ogun la gbele mo yo osakpama eni ka no to de do iji na wo to de do agwagwa amwa ba me agwa ba ta pe ami obe vara do o pe ari na okwo gi no we ni e do mu oba de do re o gidiga no ri oba nya do ere de no gidiga ri oba anya do uki ba wa na si egbe agwa sa o eya do ye egbe ma awagi mi obeva aredo iyare no gidiga arayo okbiagi no okworino no we ni eli yaba yaba bo no we no baga seredo no we ni edo gwo bedo tape ogun aga gbo mo ogun agbo hun tori awi ewa o sakpama Victor Igwaide there. If be my boga lawe be. If be my boga lawe be. Oh, when you are lawe boga be wo fu o sak mama. Oh, sak mama Victor, no be go there. You can aje akwa ko ipejo.
Ye mi ye kwa. Ugbe ye mi ye kwa. Unwa ya tenore na. Unwa ya ta weni ye go wi agwedo vin. Unwa ya ta go sakpa ma be don wi ya ti ege bo wi ya be tie no pa no ro ge no na suspect no ro. Osazugwa sakpa ma osazugwa unwa wa ya ta. Unwa wa ya tenare na ru da wa ma emi deva de dokpa ma mi. Mama emi beva de do e bakpa ma mi. Wa nu gboriri oba na gbon o sa na gbon ni ma me ore ni eri ma oni do ya he oni do ya ni eri ma bi ebe o ba pa ma me do me emi kono sakpa ma na wen do won ya ta won ya ta e for junction ni je na ina hinu na ya kanu na won ya ta
Emi ni ka o ba
no we wa so o kunizi da ga no we wa so iye nu iye ara no e baba ya no wa son e si so no bo ya no e baba ya no wa son e sango no bo ya no e baba ya no wa son iye nu ya gbe eri aka eri aka do ha je nu ora se na se ni
gbe ugugwa ya ko aje nu gbe iyan ugugwa ni be mana no mo ge do no ma iyan ogo me no gbo daddy iyan ogo me epa la gogo wa yan dukun ba re la gogo papa kiss that gogo daddy that mother daddy re gbo I want you to give also a message una guko egbuko eni wa gube kwane kemi no sakpama bibita o sasugba o fian yu ta o e gan fian jo that mother daddy iyan ogo me that mother daddy re gbo lie
OSC itu wa ya fe noro ore wa ke no we wo get do no ma ya fe we so tell brother orako one strong man we to wa ya fe no we si vi se ge no wa e be lo wa o e bi no so ki agbo wi wa ade agbe o no wa pa o bien there blessing ya ade wa ya la jan wa ya collect first and foremost how they drag Ivie to. Why did you think the governor on commercial and at the same time development visit in London away okay so in comment away we Benin Kingdom we have one Oba who are well down in the news is looking what is taking place. It can't give us one. But then we know we give us one because a lot of people know when I only have put a law na ya rovie ro man like meti gbe law but yeah where I give that money but the same democracy which our number one democratic governor in Edo State now the first citizen which is Monday Okpebholo His Excellency said we have one Oba here now we Kivie we have na Oba talk by is on a continue a statement in here make. Okay, can why did he make that comment? Somebody in that program asks a question. All these things that is taking place, what have you to say? As a wise son of the soil, or where we have one Oba, calm everybody down. You will not fear any gear. All those elders were not satisfied. He did not even bother to go into it. So, why the Miamia where the governor Navere, a lot of the suspended in Niki, the governor signed it to law. That is one of the first thing no Wawa Lapo. And I beg, he called the commissioner in charge. On a way delegated the House of Assembly. On a way that suspension and banning them with a law no. Also, no away or way na meti operate. Why am I saying this now? The person in question was suspended. When Manana
tap so that they will not drop us. Power tap and share the video, please.
So Manana Ana Gwayemi Mamu yo wase. Also, not like him in the theater because it now seems that the suspended Enogie is the one sponsoring these things. Iriogo Giameve Aye, Yana Taleve outside. Then His Excellency, the former governor, which is now Senator, your power man, one of our good sons, which is Senator Adam Oshomole.
Yes.
On a taken action. On a for parading yourself as an Oba. The same thing, I have a push now against this narrative. Is it because that some of these Enogie, they are suspended, instead of them using the right medium to ask for pleading, using the right channel? Because a policeman, all the rules and regulations of the police, before back you were Enogie, okay, move here, you were born, okay, we move chief, okay, review, okay, lily narone, away, then I mean, like, while we here, a water, or no, your beniku, no, your bad away, oh, your tower body. What kind of social media we are not there? You cannot, because you cannot bully the Oba, you cannot bully even with the adults to submit. I mean, where the politics. Wa bully we to think ati wa voting we na yan we yan voting ni Jesu na ya voting esu yan we kin no la mi yan oni abeg my get the money we do so okay ka bodo pa on din we having one na can I suspend the one. They pay people to be spreading rumors, they pay people to be spreading things that is not factual. Majority of all these people are suspect. If you're buying, this is a thing. And majority of them, yes, so that we more. Wama keep when you read, or we no keep when I will not buy. Okay, they know where were you. After you have been no one and no way I mean wow. We can only way our ambassador my way. American ambassador. Tinubu can recall ambassador ya fair. I will fiag more you are. So a king, a Kenana Muwa. Majority of you, Wamake Vaniri, Yakeva, Yake, Greg Yakezwa, no, say I'm not bad. Ekuni, when in a Yaki no talk, no, I can even channel Kevarea. So, since Eva will return back, or John will Nina, Wagba or Gavoni, or Mamu Maveri, Emano Kanya, a great guy, no Kika, no carry, I will ask one. No, I beg you, I got soon. Again, why I ask for active one, why I will to pay. A work I look okay for very oh, call, why I will reach you up. No, yak movie, a cata. Oh, no, Yanni, no quick car. All the time will tell it there, no quick on no way. So, everywhere of no kitty can look out or cow who so, everywhere I look okay for I don't know where they walk in area. I know one way in Nayaki one or you go mark back. I don't have to why position it. If not, I can why our National Assembly Waga Sony so go well, why I take where why I take where a boy okay, or I have very well working, Yapuwa. Who are the bully you do now? If you walk out, what the war in why I see what like it. Because we know the governor and why you know. People are not violating the law of the traditional house already. The government signed into law already. So we are parading buwe. It's like you are parading yourself as a police na hune. I'm here who my beg television. Area ya wa na mi wa si na mi wa ya fe. Area be je police I'm here hune. I'm here ya. Ona ya parading gbe. O ga parading gbe. Iyan isi wahala ni gbe ara dash. The law so the governor has signed it to law. Wake Aladian do Agaweri Papa King's guy. Wake Yawen, Okono Hangi Pichi, may you bagun, may answer on Maropa. Omega Naswin, ye may Yakuinogi may acquire Meka, then you beg your ya. Now you yell Lukudaya Lukudo, or Meto Mele. Ikeati, Ikamu, there you Nikao. Muniaki na wa garo beto garo video wajo ijare no keniki ene o wa kun ni so si ike ladukun I think about what I want to say. I don't say things to please my followers or please me or please no feel. I say the way it is. What I'm saying now is drawing people's attention. The governor has signed it into law. All this is suspended with law, no? So parading yourself physically or in the social media, you are not contradicting the governor, trying to bring disunity to Edo State that will lead to security breach. I repeat, contradicting the governor that will lead to security breach one way or the other. And if, which I know the commissioner of art and culture in that dimension will spell it out. And in the coming days, so I may be do one out why we end up doing maybe you end up go Korea, which you know the Attorney General will not hesitate to sign it into law. And no judge they can be granted detention because you have violated what the governor and the House of Assembly signed to law with the origin. Whatever the House of Assembly now, a governor to the House of Assembly silent. Oh, you know, or a governor what time where every Monday is going to be Lovers Day. A House of Assembly akoyo, you know, it become a Lovers Day. Everyone were breaching now. So on that grant, that is what I just came up to say. In the coming days, a lot of things will be unfolding. Let those that want to showcase their power in internet just to feel good, no problem. Do whatever you know you want to do. But everything has judgment. If I know about internet, remember blame me. I don't even blame them. Now I the bloggers. I'm going to very big. But when no agree, you know, it's like me not going to a blogger. Ibu we are doing if you we ge. Oh, we need time away. We young winner. You can't boy play me where you play. You can't play me where mommy not. But mommy may not do more any man where. Oh, she may not bad. And I will walk here where I wear now, ma. What my back working up here. When the wall go this come, when the good is spread. Why here do tuta? I will walk away. You know, we cook one no why do I say? I walk belay ya for man. I am 1 year. I will bloggers in the make up a monica, take up a movie. I'm going to give you or any answer. But we know matter no way we got in do. No, I corrected the blogger way or 10 area in which I know some of them will listen. Why we be here, you will be at all. We expect where a boy or are you can the blogger ye? Oh, a boy bonny and second blogger ye when in no moon again up where you are. All the hour, only you cool idea. It retires, only a pony and near TSN. I will beg any. I'm at any blogger. You know, at the so, a yoking idea. I or Moiri Wuku, Bonifi, Iyanomo, Ekin Wakiriwa, why do you know why we can Wayano more? Wasabi blogger, the Waki blogger is here. Near why Gamwe, Ogi Kiviere, why Mogi Kiviere, is over or check, is over check, you know why I'm moon and all loud. But why Emanuel Toto, while they beg not on while you do where are. Brother Papa Twins, this thing not be so. Why we are here, yo? Because we are only new one. A nika or dena tusa or tenuwa. Only both time where those that knowingly spread rumor is dangerous more than our normal spread the rumor. I repeat, no una give na imitano. When I spread a blogger no my. A boy bear. A boy born, you know, do a man. But when no any una ki blogania spread it in no mark back about the new one. Or you want it, already you want a charayo, why am I gay? Idioking idea. Or wires, or Tobeketin or Jenny, or Bevo.
He said,
no, we are very much drag. Oh, Kira Norija, Ranoya, no Roke.
Yeah, we are one.
Oh, Kira Roku, no dinner, doctor, also.
Yeah, we are one.
A Devete, our book, Nika, and I Devete, Ranoroku, Netayafu with Bay. Do what we your ideas, while no yoking out of why continue. A blogger, in cabo magare na but the bloggers were
no rather so there
yes
o me a de so pia yo o pe a de so pia yo wa don so pia yo rien
yeah you know so but the bloggers la wa be lu wa be yawo no na wa be awo emi giringen wa be mwege dia wa ke fi yo because e mane o kien to ni mi degbe ne o ge yan ya kian kini baba ya suspend wa e ma so akin agboyan gbe ege gwa e ne de ri o ka be aye baba ri an wo kere ga ye e ma ta ne ri o kere ga ye ko ege gwa ere ni e ma ta na wa be latian ona wa fi asan ona wa yakulian ege na wa we ri ege na je okay na gwa ki ma gbe ma go o ge no we ave ni ki so ma ga kin no to na ri go ye ko o ge mateno emi o ge no oge no agwe opale ri ma be no wa we agwe nuwari go ri wa we o agwe nuwari go ra be kan ogwe wa ka ke gwa re ne ona no wa we amugo yima
kakabo
oge ma oge no we emini sekuru e na suspended oge mateno
awagwa
oge no agwe ina so gwe adragati fat oge no
oge
so they never ri una no gwana we eri ego ya re ruga we ere dia wa wana wa o bo amami no wa wa ya kan agbe o wa ugbe eri ta ese o ba wa ya to
gbe isa
ba wa ya te gbe so Ivie izu wa bo
we say daddy we say
kakabo a good message pa Ivie we e ma so wa ron yan ilawe bone Ivie wo we na we wa u ya update